Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video viewers, so let's start today's video. Bring your space to life with the magic of hand paint glass art. Each stroke tells a story, each petal blooms with love, and each leaf shines with colors. This delicate vase and plate are perfect example of how art can turn ordinary glass into just ordinary masterpiece. Imagine this stunning flower design on your dining table on a bright window with iridescent or as a thoughtful gift for someone special. Hand paint with care where every detail is unique. Now to piece are ever the same. Add elegance and color at soul with hand paint glass art. Friends, for the vast soft style when sunlight kisses this hand-painted vase, the flower bloomed, one in nature, one on glass, perfect to brighten any corner of your home. This piece turns simple moments into pure art. For the plate, decorate and elegant. This plate, it's just for display. It's celebration of colors. Each petal is painted with paintings, each leaves with love, creating a centerpiece that speaks of grace and beauty. Once a plain piece of glass, now a garden frozen in time. Our artist hand painted every flower with leaves so you can enjoy natural beauty forever. Creative style. Glass is our canvas, colors are our pottery, from soft pink petals to rich green leaves. Every detail is a brush stroke of joy waiting to shine in your